Hello, preschool friends. It's Miss Janelle here. I miss you so much. I've been thinking about you and how much fun we always have singing and playing together. So today we're going to sing a couple of songs about numbers and play some games with numbers too. Our first song is The Five Green Speckled Frogs. I was thinking about this song because it's getting to be warmer outside and I started hearing some frog sounds outside. Now, I haven't found any frogs yet, but I've been looking because we were so excited. We've been talking about how excited we would be to find a frog in the springtime that we could put into our frog house and keep and watch for a while. So spring is here, so you got to be looking for a frog. Until we find a real one, let's just sing about them. Five green and speckled frogs sat on a hollow log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are four green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Four green and speckled frogs sat on a hollow log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are three green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Three green and speckled frogs sat on a hollow log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are two green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Two green and speckled frogs sat on a hollow log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is one green speckled frog. Ribbit, ribbit. One green and speckled frog sat on a hollow log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. I wanted to show you a super simple board game that I made because I thought you might want to make your own game. So I just took the biggest piece of paper I could find and I made a simple pathway on it and I divided it into spaces. And you could do this on paper or you could also do it with sidewalk chalk outside on your driveway. And then the cool thing is you can get pieces from another game that you have. Maybe you have a dice game that you could borrow the dice from. Or maybe you have a game that has a spinner where you can spin to find out how many spaces you go. And then the really cool thing is you can decide what you want to be your movers on the board. You could use cars, you could use action figures, or dolls, or Polly Pockets, or little animals. You could even use lids from bottles, or coins, or keys, or pieces of cereal, and then you eat them when you're done. So, the board game can be anything you want it to be. And it's fun to kind of leave it plain like this, so that it can be any kind of game you want it to be, or you can decorate it by drawing on it and coloring on it, or putting stickers on it to make it whatever kind of game you want it to be. Now, while we're talking about math, I do have another song for you, and it's The Elephant on the Spiderweb. Whenever we sing the song, I just have to keep myself from laughing out loud, picturing a gigantic elephant bouncing on a spider web like a trampoline, because that's what it's all about. And it goes like this. One elephant went out to play on a spider's web one day. He had such enormous fun that he called for another elephant to come. So now there are two elephants went out to play on a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun that they called for another elephant to come. And now there are three elephants went out to play on a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun that they called for another elephant to come. And now there are four elephants went out to play on a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun that they called for another elephant to come. And now there are five elephants. Oh no, the web broke. And that was the end of the spiders, or the elephants jumping on the spider web. They're going to have to go find something else to jump on, those crazy elephants. Oh, I hope you find some joy and some fun and some learning to do with your families today. I miss you. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.